Well, hey there, people. Well, my buddy from China, Mabel Lee, she sent me a few things in the past to review, and she sent me something else. It's a flashlight. Let's crack into this and see what it's all about. Here's the flashlight. It's super light. It's a crank slash solar power recharging flashlight. So they claim if you crank it for 6 minutes, you get an hour of light. It came charged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill this flashlight. I'll leave it on. Then later on we'll crank it and see if it lasts an hour. I'll crank it for 6 minutes and see if it lasts for the hour. It's got a little clip for your belt or your pack sack or whatever. It'd be perfect for camping or whatnot, eh? Very cool. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, well, I've been trying to kill this light since, I wrote it down somewhere, since, oh, I wrote it in here, since 3:20. Out of the sun, out of everything. Oh, it looks like it's finally dead. Is it dead? Yeah. So just on its own charge, it lasted like I checked maybe 10 minutes ago, so that's pretty crazy. Alright, let's crank her up and see if it lasts the hour that they say it's going to last. I believe it, because that lasted like several hours. Well, with my sunglasses on, it appeared it was like pretty much dead, but when I take my sunglasses off, you can see there's still juice in it. Anyway, we'll leave it on. We'll put it back in the box. I'm going to try to kill this thing. Then we'll give it the old 6-minute twirl and see if we can get the hour out of it. Alright, what time is it? Well, it's the next day, and this thing still has juice. And it's been on all night. Crazy. Alright, well, I'll keep trying to kill it. When it gets dark tonight, we'll really put it to the test. Well, the flashlight is finally dead. Alright, let's try to crank it for 6 minutes. Alright, well, that was 6 minutes. Let's go play with it outside. I'm going to leave it on to see how long it will last. Well, I'm outside. It's pitch black out here, that's for sure. Let's see what this light can do. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Oh yeah, my lawnmower. The wheel finally broke completely. And I've been using this one. I can't screw it on, but it stays on for a bit, then as you can see it rolls away. I mean, it's not the brightest flashlight in the world, but it does the trick. Good emergency flashlight. Alright, so now I'm going to leave it on and just put it back in the box there. And we'll see how long it lasts. Well, it's been an hour and a half now. Let's check out the flashlight. She still has juice. It's not as bright as it was, but still, that's pretty cool. So it took me 3 days to shoot this video on this MECO emergency flashlight. The weather was just not cooperating. Last night we had hail. The hail was the size of golf balls. I'll show you a picture of Shelly's vehicle after. There's just dents everywhere. Same with the Jeep, there's dents everywhere. My truck, I checked it out, nothing. They just don't make stuff like they used to. Anyway, this MECO flashlight, it's regular price $14.99 Canadian. I can get you guys 27% off. Anyway, if you guys want to hook yourselves up, I'll leave the link down below. 27% off of $14.99. Pretty good price. It's a good flashlight, obviously. Anyway, people, thanks a lot for watching. Big cheers. We'll talk to you guys later. Check out. Oh, I got the cotton mouth like crazy.
Cotton here. Hold on a second.
Okay, let's check out.
Here, let's get rid of that cotton.
Oh no, that's gonna kill me. Sorry. Let's check out the damage on Shelly's truck. I call it a truck, but whatever. Golf-sized snowballs. Snowballs. Doesn't seem too bad.
Golf-sized snowballs?
Golf-sized snowballs. Golf-sized...
I can get some golf balls out of my car to friggin' do a reenactment for you.
Put one in a hole, like... I don't see that many, eh?
Oh man, I would be crying out of my car.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no, the hood, the roof. Oh no!
That one maybe?
So the other night we had golf ball size hail, and Shelly's truck got it pretty good, man. It's not funny anymore, but this is.
I can't get it to stay.
You're missing the hole.
No, that's all.
There you go. Not good. Look, you can see like all the dots in the dirt. Shit. Oh no. Check out the Jeep even. The Jeep's worse. Look at that big one. You got your golf ball, buddy?
Oh yeah.
Look at that one.
This one right here?
Holy.
It wants to. It just won't. I'm gonna put some air in these tires. I bet you I can make it stay in there.
Yeah, they're a bit low. It's been, yeah, it is low. But that's terrible. Like,
yeah, no, that's definitely.
I checked. Oh, look at that one's a big one too. Man. Oh no, the roof on this too. So I went to look at the Ford. It's parked in the back. There's not a dent on it.
No way.
No.